everyone. Welcome back to our live. This is the senior division sa aming liga dito sa Barangay Santa Lucia. Junior Senior League 2025. Senior division tayo. Boy Dale versus our very own BS Angeles Silver. First five. Aking mga pinsan. Ayaw. Mga supportive na. Ay, anak ko. Uy! Shout out. Present. Para supportahan ang kanyang tatay naman sa labang ito. Ayun, no? Larry De Jose. Tapat ni Kagawad Nante sa mga leader sa mga leader ng Buhay Dale at ang nagbabalik ang Kobe Bryant ng Lucia Rock B. Nante 4-3, no good. Ibang by Legaspi to Pineda. Pineda, bad pass, steal. Ayan na si Cruz. Santos, rather road, rebound. Rebound ni Robbie. Valerio, pass to Solid. Pineda, Legaspi. Fade away shot. First basket para sa BS Angeles. Santos for 3. Rebound by Solis. Wilson. Jump shot, no good.
Solis. Valerio, Santa, 9 seconds.
Good pass.
Yes. The national ball power Kagawad Renate Blanco. Number 78.
Blanco for 3. Wala.
Number 15.
For 15.
Captain. Galaw! Shut up, 6 seconds. Nagaspi. Adeo. Blanco. Di ba ba na yung sa Nagaspi.
Legaspi. Kalabang Bambi yan. Kalabambi. Sabihin mo, tatay ko yan. Larry De Jose with a putback.
Andrew Tenadero. Donald Campos. 5-second shot off the shoe.
Shout out. Parang Coach Bambi Pineda supporting sa ating live. Robbie step back, no good. Wala. Si Santos, Alex, dire-diretso. Nakalisok.
Timeout, white team.
Timeout, Silver. Tobias Angeles.
Sira naman yung charger na pwede pa. Pangit na charger.
Okay, back to the ball game. Ikaw, John. Legaspi, reverse layup. Ooh. There's a foul.
Okay, on the free throw area, Legaspi, number 5. Valdeo. What a shot by number 15, Valdeo.
Malaki na po ang kalamangan ng Boy Dale. 8-4. Kuya Mac, pass to Solis. Tatapikan ni Santos. Steal by Legaspi. And one.
Number 10, first foul, Andrew Tenadero.
Okay. Santos.
Counter. Number 1. Valdeo, foul number 28. Valerio, foul number 28. Valerio, first personal foul. Substitution. Timeout, Boy Dale team.
Three minutes and 50 seconds. Ball game, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Ian.
Alam, 60 minutes yung laro tato.
Dogs.
Jafar Blanco, Nante.
Fadeaway shot by number 09. See that pass. Shanaba coming in. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Steal by Santos. Steal by Alvarez. Steal again on Boy Dale.
Gonzalo.
Coach Ansay, ano lang daw? Coach na. Player.
Ayan na!
Alvarez. Let's go, BS Angeles. Basketball. Okay, end of the first quarter. Official score 8-17 in favor of the Boy Dale. Babawi na kayo. Bye. And shout out. Os Bambi. Eda. And maraming salamat sa iyong walang sawang pagsuporta ng ating live. And maraming salamat po sa iyong binigay na cash ngayong gabi para sa ating live. Coach Bambi, Team Neda, and a basket dito ni Legaspi. 17-10. Santos to number 01, steal by Larry, pass to Rockby. Rockby nagpamadali, 3 against 2. Rockby dire-diretso, drop pass to Solis. Wala. Solis again. There's a foul.
Solis, ano na?
Pasok mo daw yan. Jason Solis, first shot, no good. And shout out, Jeff Celo. Shout out daw sa amin ni Jeff Celo kay Jason Solis. Oy! Violation. Bola ng Boy Dale. Santos. Bitawan. Ayun na si Rockby. Nagmamadali. Rockby. Uy, walang kupas pa rin. Idol Rockby. Valerio. Nabasa 5 ang alamangan. Santos with a 3. No good. Fade away shot. Short. And out of bounds. Ayun na si Rockby. Nagpapadali. Rockby dire-diretso. Pass to Jason Solis. Ayan na. Humahabol na ang aming BS Angeles. Kagawa Ryan. Tumira. Short. Rebound. Makuha ng kanilang slasher pass to number 3. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Legaspi. Jason. Rockby, pass to nice pass. Oh! Nakakahingal yun. What a nice shot. Ganda naman ang pasa niya. Para nasa training lang. Baba sa isang alamangan ng Boy Dale. Time remaining 8 minutes and 6 seconds.
Shout out, Gapineda and Catrice. Stay strong. Ayan.
Shout out.
Okay. Ang team ng love team.
Okay, back to the ball game. May lab team pala tayo dito sa gilid. Okay, nag-gap Pineda and Francesca. Oopsie. Robby. Ayun na, crossover. Bessie. Tulari. Pass to Jason sa loob. Jason enters the foul. Good shot para kay Jason Solis. Jason Solis on the free throw area. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Tabla tayo sa 17. God, Ryan, what a nice pass! Ay, kagawad, Ryan Silva. Balik ang Kalamangan sa Boy Dale. Rocky, pass to Kagawad, John. Solari, backdoor pass, uy! Bad pass by Larry Boy. Gawad Dante, may tangan ng bola. Gawad Dante, binigay kay number 15. Pull up J, basket. The board. 21-17. Jason, no good. Gawad John, no good. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Andrew. Outlet pass, number 15. Fade away shot, no good. Rebound by Kagawad. John. To Rockby. Pass to Bessie. To Larry. Pass to Bessie. Uy!
Substitution.
Larry Boy.
Kaya!
Na. Tuboy ang back. Tabla tayo ulit sa 21. Pangalawang deadlock na to. Boy Dale, Master. Santos, no good. Rebound by Coach John. Coach John. Oopsie! Bad pass. Sayang. Okay lang. Bawi.
Sapatos. Silva, pass number 78, Blanco. Yaza,
Good. Gawad Ryan, backdoor pass. Nice shot by Andrew. And one.
Substitution and foul number 28, first personal foul. Second personal foul.
One shot para kay Andrew. Basket. 24-21. Balik ang Kalamangan sa Boy Dale. Kuya Mac. Pass to Jason. Pass pa. Uy. Ayan na, Kagawad natin. Uy, what a nice pass! Ganda naman ang pasa naman ni Andrew. The number 15. Time out dito ang aming BS Angeles. Official score is 26-21. Time remaining 4 minutes and 58 seconds. First half. Okay, back to the ball game. Solis for 3, no good. Tawad natin. Number 1, ooh, block by Larry. Number 15, short. Rebound by Rockby. Barok. Pass to Jason, pass to Barok. Uy! So good. Pass to Rockby. Waiting for his teammate. Setting on the play. Pass to Matt. Uy! 24-second shot clock violation. Number 05.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul.
Offensive violation.
Ay, tatay ni Gap yan. Alam na kung saan nagmana si Gap doon.
Kasi mali yung sign ng
What a nice move by Kuya Potpot. Pined. On the free throw area, jersey number 1, Santos. First shot, no good. Second shot, wala. Rebound, number 05, using the board. Basket. Let's see. Last touch.
Yes, sir.
No good. Ayan na. Pot to Joshua for 3, short. Bro, wala pa kay Mac, kaya pa. Jump shot. Nabigay na eh.
Okay, 28-23 by the Boy Dollar team in Singapore.
28-23 rather. Solis for 3, wala. Rebound by Torres. Alex. Pass to Alex. Fake. Stop and pop. Basket.
Number 14, number 14. Number 29. Okay. Number 78. Right back.
Torres, wala. Rebound by Joshua. Pass to Jason.
Wow, what the shot from number 19, Solis.
25-30.
Sadya nakahawak eh.
Yes, number 78.
Rebound by Legaspi.
It's number 19. Rebound by number 5.
Kagawad na, ante. Pass to Santos. 4-3.
By jersey number 1, Alex Santos, 3 points.
Rockville. Oops, no good. Rebound by Alex. Ate pass. Nante Blanco.
Basket. By Kagawad Nante Blanco. 35.
10-point lead para sa Boy Dale. Last shot. 5 seconds to shoot. 4-3. No good.
Nante Blanco.
Ayan na, reverse layout.
Pineda. Still by number 15.
Yeah. Gawad Dante, 4-3. Wala. Sayang, guys. Inabot.
Second period, and official score 35-55 by the Boy Dale team.
Alright, end of the first half. Official score 35-25. 10-point lead para sa Boy Dale. Third quarter coming up.
Gusto nyo manalo lahat.
Tignan natin ang handle.
Gusto nyo rin maglaro lahat. Pwede yun.
Coach Bambi.
Lahat kayo, alam natin, gusto natin manalo lahat. Pero gusto natin lahat manalo. Kahit tapos na, naglalaro pa rin tayo sa ito. Yan lang siguro.
Okay, muli maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusupport ng ating live, especially ayan, kay Coach Bambi Pineda. Shoutout sa iyo, Coach. Ayan, tingnan natin ang ating ni Coach Bambi.
Kaya na mabilis. Hindi naman nakapag-break. Hindi namin kulitin kaya natin. Bakit? Kaya. Bawi ha, baka sa bawal natin.
Ito ba yun doon?
Kasi may kalaban mo tayo may na. Yung nagkakabuti natin.
Volleyball, basketball.
Kasi kalaban natin. Pero paano pagpasok yung first quarter? Hintayin natin. Hintayin natin.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Shout out na tayo, shout out.
By Jana Pineda. Ayan.
Ina. Shout out. Shout out naman ko dyan, uy. Christian. Chan.
Inbound by number.
Okay, quarter tayo. Let's go. What a block by Legaspi.
Fear.
There's a foul.
Foul number 19, Solis. First personal foul by number 19, Solis.
Alex for 3. Wala. Rebound. Andrew. 3 seconds violation. Jason Solis for 3. No good. Rebound by Andrew. There's a foul. Number 19, Jason Solis.
Foul number 19. Second personal foul by number 19, Solis. Valerio. Number 6, Rico Mando. Malahaja. Second personal foul.
Mahaba kayo. Madali lang yan. Mahapon.
Okay, on the feature area, jersey number 19 is Solis.
Wala. Rebound by Solis.
Ow. Same ball. Number 5. Number 6 again. Third personal foul by Rico Mambo. Okay, once again, third personal foul by Malahaja, number 6.
Basket by Legaspi. And shout out, Dek Alfonso. Mabuhay ka hanggang sa gusto mo.
Number 5.
Kuya Dek. Alfonso, no good. Rebound ng boy, dali. Santos to Andrews, sidestep. Nakalusod doon.
Valerio.
Ay, Mac. na. To Jason, tabo na key. Spin. Drop pass to Kuya Macius in the board. Basket. Alex, wala. Rebound by Jason. Ayan na, Rubens. Larry and one. Hey!
Number 7.
Ayan, no? Daddy ng dalawang yun, no?
Number 7.
Basket count and one by Larry Boy. De Jose. Down by 6, 31 to 37. Ano oras ba?
On the free throw area,
Di
number
ba kita eh?
25,
Sabihin mo saan?
De Jose. Ay,
Kita mo ba? Kita mo? Sabihin mo kapag mali ah.
double
Hindi ko makita eh.
foul.
Mati yung hindi ka kita dito.
Double foul. 7 from
Nakaharang eh.
Boydate and number 19 Solis. Jump ball or double. Double foul. Number 19.
Tatlo na tayo. Tatlo na ata si Jason. Double foul. Okay, third quarter, bola natin. Oopsie, bad pass. Oy, out of bounds. Let's go. Yes, to Larry. Oy, bad pass. Number 15. Time out, PS Angeles. 39, 31. Time remaining is 6 minutes and 40
Okay, happy
seconds.
birthday kay Vina. Okay, happy birthday kay Vina Baruro. Napakapangit ng mga pangalan niya. Vina Baruro. Ruth Barut? Vina Ruth? Kasi baho ng bibig niya. Vina Ruth. Ruth ata yung Ruth.
Rock B, 4-3. Aggressive rebound. No good. Bomb.
Shot up, 6 seconds. Amos. Bang.
Wow.
Number 10, Penedero. Third personal foul by number 10, Penedero Andrew.
2 shots para kay Larry Boy. Wala. Second shot. Basket.
Substitution, Torres. Coming in, number 27.
6 minutes and 14 seconds. Gawad Nante Blanco. Pass.
Number 3.
Number 3. There's a foul.
25. Pushing foul by number 25 is De Jose.
Should have line to number 3.
Father by Gonzalo.
Salvo. Second shot. 2 for 2. By
Counted
Gonzalo.
again by number 3, Gonzalo. Pineda. Valerio. Valerio. 14, Valerio. Penalty.
Mabibilis yung kalaban yung fake muna bago dribble. Ginawa nila rin walang fake, dribble eh. Fake muna bago dribble, mabibilis yung kalaban. Ginawa mo bago dribble.
Okay, both team under penalty situation. Substitution. Both team under penalty situation.
Shoutout. Carol Lance. Kay Carol Masangay.
42,
Shoutout po.
Hello, fake mo. Sige, sa fake eh.
Gaspi, number 5, Dalton. Renato Blanco.
Uy, nakalusot sa gagawad, Dante.
By jersey
Blanco.
78, Nate Blanco.
Rock B, 4-3. No good.
Out,
Counted.
number 15.
No ka, basket.
Timeout, white, and second personal foul by number 15.
Timeout, BS Angeles. Official score is 43-34. 44. 5 minutes and sakto. Alright, back to the ball game. Two shots para kay Legaspi. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. 35 to 44.
Yes.
Down by 9.
Shout out, LB5.
Thank you po. Coach April, shoutout ulit sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa iyong shoutout. Torres, no good. Kobe. Whoa! Wala. Torres, Vic, side step. Uy, no good. Rebound by Larry. Steal by number 15. Number 05, big, and that's a family. Pineda, what? Rocky, block. Ooh, there's a foul. Good, rebound by Legaspi. Uy, rebound by Gustavo. Big. Oh, nice shot by Alex. Santos.
ISO, ISO.
Pineda, steal by Salvo.
Number 27, Elvis. Pass.
Nice extra pass, no good. Steal.
Sam. Alvarez. C. And timeout, Boy Dollar team.
Time out. Uy, dali. Time remaining 3 minutes and 21 seconds.
Rebound. Baba kagad-kagad. Pag makabot tayo, pati na yung bating bola sa baba. May baba kagad. Patakbo na.
Okay, that's the holding. Putak nila kumiti na. Putak nila kumiti na. Awang ng blow.
Ayan na, 3-point para kay Idol Rockby.
Wala, wala, wala!
Valerio. Santos. Rebound. Move. Rockby.
Number 14, Valerio.
Uy, nakataas lang.
Foul number 10.
Ball number 10.
Foul number 10.
Wala! 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 Kuya! Kuya! Isa pa!
2 minutes and 7
Ayun, ayun
seconds.
na!
Balik sa pitong alamangan ng Boy Dale.
Forty-seven, 30 by the Boy Dollar in favor. Yes, stop it.
Nice, solid.
47, 42.
Wala, wala!
Shot, no good. Ayun naman ang 10. Si Jason.
Valerio. Valerio. Shotgun.
Solis for 3. In and out. Rebound. Rebound by Jason. Pass to Best. Uy!
Samba number 5, Legaspi.
Time remaining, exact 1 minute. There's a foul. Jersey number 05 from Boyle Dale.
Wala!
Okay, on the free throw area number 5. De La Cruz.
Wala! Kuya! Wala!
Counter.
1 minute left. Kuya Mark. Uy, walang tawag. Ayun na.
Yes, yes, Mario. What the shot by number 15 is Bambela.
Solid.
Tatalin pa kayo. Nakuha na kailangan ko ng bola, wala na. Sinahan nyo na lang, parang pag-duration,
Yes, yes, number 15.
Uy.
Number 78. No good.
Ano ba yun namin?
Time remaining, last 14 seconds.
14 seconds. Remaining time.
Last 14 seconds.
Wala! Magkano ba yan?
Gawad. Uy! Tiga na. End of the third quarter. Official score is 49-44. Down by 5. Hindi man na lang. Sorry, correction. Correction po sa ating score, 42-51.
Duman ka ng duman. Pag nakuha nyo ng bola, tatakbo kayo.
Ayan, shout out. Dec Alfonso and Coach Mark Brian Mirador from San Juan, Rizal. And Coach, kamusta kayo dyan? Okay, fourth quarter tayo. Shout Ryan. Bad pass. Rockby, top of the key for 3, no good. Rebound by Santos.
Palo yung number 5! Palo!
Ayun na si Andrew. Uy, what a move by Andrew. Bus. Santos, jump shot. 55-42.
Tama na, kinakabahan kami!
Legaspi, catch and shoot. Yes, sir. Santos, 4-3, wala. Santos, sa loob. Steal. Ayun na si Jason. All the way. Siyam na lang ang hinahabol ng BS Angeles. Agawad Ryan. To Andrew. Wala. Oh, good. Bad pass. Gaspi si Rockby. Rockby. Uy, there's a foul. Alin po? Kapatid po? Hindi magkapatid? Shooting the line by Rockby Valderio. No good. 7:47. Oh, good.
Foul number 25, De Jose. Foul number 25, Larry De Jose. Second, personal.
White ball. Number 15.
Third personal foul number 15, Valderio.
Bakit ka lang kapag natamaan sila? Laya naman.
Bola dito ng BS Angeles. Beat to Jason. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Makuha ni Alex. Santos.
Foul number 11.
Foul number 11.
Second personal foul by number 11. Basket.
Basket by Alex. Second shot. No good. Rebound.
Legaspi.
By Legaspi. To Jason. To Rockby.
Bagario.
Rockby to number 5. Tomira. Wala. And that's a step in on the line.
Sam. Ayan na. Lamang kayo dyan. Mr. 3 points.
Gawad Ryan Silva. Santos. Santos. Magawad. To Alex. Stop and walk. Ooh.
Foul number 25. Larry. Third personal foul by number 25.
Ay, ikaw na! Kanina ka pa yun nandyan nakaupo.
Santos.
Counted by number 1.
6 minutes and
Santos
11
Alex
seconds.
number 2.
Basket.
Counted.
Alex Santos.
Yes, Mr. 3 point.
Oy, by Joshua.
Number 14, Legaspi. Timeout, ball, Tower 10. 58-51 by the ball Tower.
Okay, 51 to 58, down by 7. Time remaining 5 minutes and 30 seconds. John. Legaspi to Rockby. Rockby. Uy! No good. Nakita ko na naman yung mga move na yun. Alex. There's a foul. Number 29.
Number 29, Yang Bao. First foul by number 29, Yang Bao. Number 17.
Jason.
Number 19. 78, Renate Blanco.
Foul number 78, Kagawad Nante.
First foul.
Nakatrip ko sa mga maganda, wala. Pambilis sila.
Okay, on the free throw area, number 19 is Solis.
Pag-time out.
Gonzalo, 2 points. Yeah, it's a 3 point.
Apat na ata ito.
Warning, third personal foul.
Foul number 4, 19. That is fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate. Time remaining 4 minutes and 2 seconds.
Penalty. From Ryan Tian, penalty. And number 19, fourth personal foul. Warning. And penalty. That's the ball game. 60-52.
Okay, back to the ball game. 52-60. 8-point lead para sa Boy Dale. Shooting line, Alex Santos. Rashad is good.
Swerte!
Solis to Rockby. Valerio from elbow three. Yes, sir.
Valerio.
55 to 61.
Hapon-hapon na sila.
Defense. Blanco to Santos. Para big man Andrew, fade away shot, wala. Rebound by Joshua. To Rockby. Rockby bounce pass to Jason. Reverse layup, no good. Legaspi pass to Rockby. Waiting for his teammate. Rockby with a cross. Uy.
Save ball. 7-second shot clock.
Bola rito ng White. Rockby. Joshua block by Santos. Legaspi steal. Nabitawan. Gawad Blanco. Santos. No good. Rebound. Makuha ni Legaspi. Tukoy Mac.
Ayan na siya. Legaspi.
Legaspi. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Jason. Oh, wala pa rin. Foul number 1. Shooting at the line by jersey number 19, Jason Solis. Time remaining po natin, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Nice shot, basket. Ayan na, 5 na lang. Second shot by Jason. Basket. 4 na lamang ang inahabol ng BS Angeles. Kagawad Nante Blanco. May tama ng bola. Kagawad 4-3. Uy, yun na, rebound by Legaspi. Pass to Rockby. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Rockby. There's a foul. Number 1, Santos. Shooting on the line by jersey number 14, Rockby. Grabe si Idol. Rockby Valerio on the free throw area. Time remaining 1 minute and 54 seconds sa ating for the last quarter. Valerio, wala. Rebound by Legaspi. Legaspi attacking the basket. Floater, goes to the glass. Ayan na, isa na lang. Oh, correction. 2-point lead para sa Boy Dale. Ayan na po ang crowd. Kagawad Nante. Pass to Santos. Santos. Kagawad. Nante, block. Andrew. Boy, steal. By Larry Boy. Ayan na. Rockby. Pass to Larry. Larry attacking the basket.
Romania.
Kwarta, walang iba. Kwarta na. Lari. Magsa-rebound. Si Kwarta bola. Walang
Ay natin, the coach. Bambi.
Tamo.
Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Kasa ng bola. Walang iba papasahan.
Alright, tayo na. Sa fourth and final quarter. Let's go! Jason Solis, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Santos, wala. Lari! Ayun na, goal natin, Steven. Ayun na, Jason. Rocky, nubos na lang mga oras. Time remaining, last 30 seconds. Marok. Rockby for 3, wala! Rebound! By Larry! Larry to Kuya Mac, pass to Jason. Rockby, binigay kay Larry. Pumala! Time remaining, last 7 seconds. Last 7 seconds. Let's go. Nagkakagulo na po. Lamang ang BS Angeles. Ayan na. Ano ba ng test dito? Alex for 3! Oy! Ayan na. Grabe! What a nice! Alright, final score po natin. 63-61.
Jersey number 5.
Save the game, Legas. Picture tayo. Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.